Are you thinking about putting your home on the market for sale? It doesn't matter if you've been living there for 50 years or 5. You want to do everything you can to get the most out of your investment. Here are 4 reasons why it is worth considering replacing your roof before selling your home. Reason 1. Increase your asking price after a roof replacement. While it's a significant investment, a new roof is likely to recoup much of its upfront cost, as it's a top factor that home buyers look at when deciding on a home. Reason 2. Save time on roof repair negotiations from buyers. Many buyers will look for any excuse to offer less on your home than what you're asking, and an aging roof could reduce your sale price by thousands. Dedicating the time and money to a new roof now will save you the headache of a lengthy back and forth over purchase price later. Reason 3. Maximize eyes on your home and speed up the sale process. People don't want to put major improvements into a home they're just moving into. When buyers notice an older roof, they are more likely to skip seeing your home entirely. The more eyes on your property, the better, and likely the sooner you'll get the final offer settled. Reason 4. Keep lending companies satisfied with adequate roof repairs. You might not care about the age of your roof when you list your home. Let the next person deal with it. But you may come to care when the next person's mortgage company comes to do their own inspection of the property. If roof repairs are required, they may refuse to approve the loan or request the necessary fixes be completed before they will move forward with loaning any money. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me directly. Thank you and have a great day.